All right, people, it's Tuesday, and on Tuesdays we clean the fridge, and let me tell you why. Because garbage day is Wednesday, which means if I get all the gross stuff out of the fridge and I put it in the garbage outside, it's not gonna make my garbage nasty and stinky. So that is why we clean on Tuesday. If your garbage day is Thursday, I suggest you clean on Wednesday. It's just a really great way to make sure you get any of the vegetables or meat or anything in here that needs to go out. You get it out right away, and then you don't have any garbage stink, especially if you end up putting stuff in the freezer, which can be gross. So what my fridge looks like, and because I do it every week, I don't have a lot of expired items, but I still go through, check out what's there. We have these two shelves. This is where all the food goes that's been opened, or it's a leftover and it needs to be eaten. Like if you're looking for something to eat, this is where you look. Now, we didn't get everything eaten, so I do need to go through that. There are things that need to go in the garbage. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out that needs to go. I'll show you what I got rid of and what my fridge looks like when I'm done. So this is all I have to throw out. I don't really think it's that bad. There are some leftovers here that I wish we didn't have so much of. I wish we'd gotten to them and eaten them. I hate throwing away food, but it's also, several days old, so we probably need to get rid of it. I don't want to make anyone sick, but we really do try to get to leftovers. But this is so much better way to throw it out when you know you shouldn't be eating it, but also you don't want it to be growing something. That's the worst, opening the fridge and finding, your own penicillin farm going on. So better to get rid of it now and not have to worry about that. So that's my big tip for this video. Clean out your fridge every week. It won't take too long. And also if there's any spills or anything you see that needs to be wiped up, just take care of it. And that way you're not doing a big, huge fridge clean out. I do that every probably month or two. But if you do it weekly and just get that fridge cleaned out, get rid of all the stuff that shouldn't be there anymore, do it the night before garbage day, and you won't have a stinky garbage, and then that way you're taking care of it and you're staying on top of it, and it only takes a matter of minutes. Have a good day. Please subscribe. Please give us a like. Super appreciate it.